Hey everyone, text is one of the most powerful tools in video editing. But sometimes, bold solid text can feel too heavy or distracting. That's where transparent text helps. Transparent or semi-transparent text gives a clean, modern look while keeping our message clear and stylish. In this video, we show how to make transparent text in Capcut in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This technique works well for cinematic edits, aesthetic videos, titles, and social media content. Using transparent text helps our words blend naturally into the footage without taking attention away from the visuals. Instead of covering the subject, transparent text lets viewers see what's happening in the background and still read the message. In Capcut, we create transparent text by adjusting the opacity settings of the text layer. After adding the text, we go into editing options. The key is balance. Too much transparency makes the text hard to read, and too little loses the effect. Finding the middle ground keeps both style and clarity. Now let's go through the easiest way to add or make our text transparent in a video. First, open Capcut. Once inside Capcut, click Create Project at the top. It says Create Project. Once here, we import the pictures or video. The first thing we do is drag these items to our layer. We click, then move to the upper part and click this video. Next, we go to the bottom part where we see this Canva. We click the drop-down menu, select it, and change it to color. When we choose black and apply it, we go up and reduce the scale. Let's set this to 20. Once it's set to 20, we move it to the side so it's not visible. After that, we add some text by clicking on the text option in the upper left. Then we add text. The document has already done this for us. Next, we add a text example, such as text like this. We can adjust the font and font size and make it bold. Let's make it bold. Once the text is ready, we place it anywhere we want. When finished, we select both items, right-click, and create a compound clip. After creating the compound clip, we place it on layer 1. Next, we adjust this as needed. When finished, we return to Media. In the Media section, we drop down our video again. After that, we click on layer 1, go to Videos, and then click the Blend option. We see the blend and the basic setting here. Next, we can change the blend mode to either darken or brighten, depending on what we want. Let's play the video. There we go. Now we have added transparent text to our video. Making transparent text in Capcut is a simple but effective way to improve our video's design. It adds a professional and cinematic touch while keeping our content visually appealing. As we try different opacity levels, fonts, and placements, we discover what works best for our editing style. Small details like this can make a big difference in how polished our videos look.